How to fix when graphics driver crashed error on Valorant. First, what you need to do is update your drivers by going to your Windows search and typing Device Manager. Then go to your display adapters. Now you'll see your drivers. Mine is the NVIDIA GeForce. So I'll just need to right click that, then update driver. Now click browse, then click here, then click on your driver again. Hit next, wait for it to load, and close your device manager. Next, on your Windows search again, go type run, then type on your local app data. This will direct you to your local app data in your file explorer. And then go find Valorant. Then choose save, click on config, and then in your crash report client, just delete that. Then go back to the saved folder and go to web cache. Open it and then just delete everything. Once you're done, just close the folder. Then go back to your desktop, then right click, then below it click show more options. Click the NVIDIA control panel and then this window will appear. On your left side, click on manage 3D settings. Then on your drop down menu in here, click high performing NVIDIA processor or whatever your driver is. Click apply, then go to your program settings. Then on your drop down menu in here again, find Valorant. Now if you cannot find Valorant, just click on the add button. Click browse and then go find your Valorant in your Riot Games folder. Next, on your graphics processor, click on NVIDIA again. Then click apply. Then on your sidebar again, click the configure button. Then in your physics settings, click on NVIDIA, click apply, and then close the tab. And then just restart your laptop and then you can try launching the game again. Hope this helps!